Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add autoplay background music to your Wix website. This is a great way to create an immersive experience for your visitors and set the right mood the moment they land on your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on Site and Mobile App. When you do this, a drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management options. From this drop-down menu, you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is indeed the website where you wish to add autoplay background music. It's always good to double-check that you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this at the top part of your screen, typically positioned beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to customizing the look and feel of your site. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real customization happens. From here, start by locating the Media button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This section houses all your media files and is where we'll upload the audio track you want to use. When you click on Media, you'll see the media window expand. From here, locate the Upload button and click on it. An Upload Media window will appear. Select Upload from Computer, and this will help you locate the audio file you wish to be playing in the background of your website. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate through your folders, locate your audio file, click to select it, and then click Open. The audio file will start to upload. Depending on the file size, this might take a moment, so just be patient while it processes. Once the audio file has finished uploading, it's time to add it to your website. Click on the Add Element button from the left navigation menu. From the options that appear, locate the Video and Music element and click on it. Look for the Audio Players section. You'll see different types of audio players available. Select the one that fits your website's design and drag it onto your website canvas. Position it wherever you'd like it to appear. Once the audio player is added to your canvas, click on Upload Track. Then select the music file we uploaded earlier from your media library. Once you've selected the correct file, click on Add Track. This finalizes the addition of your background music to the audio player. Now to enable autoplay, you'll need to click on the audio player element you just added. Look for the settings or gear icon, and within those settings you should find an option to enable autoplay. Toggle this on so that the music starts playing automatically when visitors land on your page. Keep in mind that some browsers have restrictions on autoplay with sound, so it's good practice to test this on different devices and browsers to ensure it works as intended. And that's it. You've successfully added autoplay background music to your Wix website, creating a more engaging and dynamic experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.